Heading south from Indian River County now to St. Lucie County, where crews focused on drains and canals today. WPTV's Tyler Hatfield, he continues our team coverage live tonight. Tyler?
Yeah, crews have been busy all day long, and I want to show you what exactly they've been doing here in Lakewood Park. So this pump here, they've been using this on Green Dolphin Street to move any water, to expose any of this water out of the canal to prevent some of this flooding, because their main concern right now is that rainfall. Now, residents are being urged to clear out their culverts to prevent that further flooding, and the ground again is very saturated from those days of rain, and county crews are staging pumps like the one you just saw in flood-prone areas to help control that water. Now, the county storm drainage system can only handle 4 to 6 inches of water an hour.
So if you think about a funnel, if you're pouring into a funnel and you pour it too quickly, then it's going to spill. And those swales and roads are meant to be the secondary collectors of that rainfall to keep it out of homes and businesses.
Now, Eric Gill says if you do run into those flooded streets, to turn around and do not go drive into those flooded streets. But for now, live in St. Lucie County, I'm Tyler Hatfield, WPTV News.